running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I.
Hi, let's do some skincare together. So first we're going to start with cleanser, and I have really been loving this. This is the Boots Hydrating Cleanser with tea tree oil and witch hazel. This is my second bottle. I recently started using it and I've been loving it so far. Next, I'm going to do another cleansing, but with Begania micellar water. This is the one with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera here. So I always double cleanse every time. Next, I go in with this Give Me Cosmetics toner. It has retinol and witch hazel. I've been using this for a while now and I like it. I like what it does to my face. Next, I'm going to go in with the face serum. This is also from Give Me Cosmetics. It's their face serum with hyaluronic acid and retinol. And I'll just go in with about 2 pumps. Going. Next, this is actually my first time using this, but on a normal day, I'm going with the vitamin C serum from Simple, but I've run out of that one. So I'm trying this new one from Skin Proud. It's their Bright Boost Vitamin C serum. Yeah, so we're just going to try it out today. I actually really like the Simple one. I'm very loyal to that one. I think I've gone through a couple of. But let's see what this does. I'll just take like 2 pumps. Come on. So we'll just give this about like a minute or 2 minutes to sink in a bit before I go in with my moisturizer. And now for the moisturizer, I use this Simple Hydrating Light moisturizer. This moisturizer is my ride or die. Like, I love it so much. I've tried other moisturizers and I keep coming back to it. I don't know what is in it, but my skin loves it. Yeah. I go in with about that. Then we just I'm wearing makeup today, so I need my skin to be on point. And we're done with the face. My last step is just the lip balm, and I just use the Vaseline Lip Therapy in Rosy Lips. I almost forgot. I usually go in with an eye cream. I've had this one. The sample size is the La Roche-Posay Hylu B5 eye serum. I like it because it has this metal cooling thing. And then I go in with my finger to kind of like dab it in. Yeah. So that's it for my skincare routine. So you can see my skin is glowy, it's moisturized, it's well hydrated. I'm ready for makeup, I'm ready for my day. So this is what I do on a daily basis, to be honest. Like it's quite simple and straightforward. Just like as you saw, cleanser, micellar water for second cleansing, toner, serums, moisturizer, eye cream, and lip balms. That's all. I'm going to put the links to some of the products in the description box so you can check it out, and if you're interested you could get them yourself. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point, thank you. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.